Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. You know I like to go shopping and look for things that are a little bit different. Well, this time I'd like to show you a product that I buy regularly because I just love it. It's so versatile and I use it all the time. The smoked pulled pork from Costco. It's made by Kirkland. And I'd like to show you how easy it is to use. I'm actually going to use it in a recipe later on this week. So it comes with a plastic seal, so you know it's nice and fresh. And it's so easy. You just take off the plastic, open up the package, and inside is smoked pulled pork. Now we have a smoker, and we have made pulled pork so delicious with our smoker. But this is when you want something fast and easy and consistently delicious. The directions are easy. You just poke some holes. I like to poke about 3 or 4 holes. And I use my scissors because since it's frozen, it's really hard to poke the hole. Keep it in the tray and put it in the microwave. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put it in my microwave. Set it for 10 minutes. And let it defrost. Pretty easy, isn't it? About 7.5 minutes have gone by, but I smell it, so I think I'll check on this real quick. Sometimes the microwaves cook faster than others. So you can see here, use the pot holder, it's going to be hot. You can see here all the steam that's gathered. So let's go ahead and make just a little bit bigger cut for a hole, and then we'll put it back in for the last little bit. I'm going to just make a little bit bigger of a steam hole. And we'll put it right back in. Okay, the microwave went off, so let's go ahead and take it out. This smells so delicious. I can see why I want to buy this often. If you really look at the package here, you can see that there's some delicious liquid in there. This is always so moist and good. Be careful because it's full of steam. But I'll take my cut and I'll finish cutting it so that the whole thing is open all the way to the corners. And then I can flip this over into this black container and throw out the juice. Be really careful, it's hot. And this is ready to go. You have a solid piece of pulled pork. And just taking your fork, you can just make it, shred it, and you really do get quite a bit here. Now, one of the things I found is that in the very middle, you usually have a frozen chunk. And so for that, you're going to want to peel off all that's defrosted and then just put it back in the oven, the microwave, for about a minute, minute and a half. Depends on how long it takes to finish defrosting. And then you just have absolutely the most delicious pork. In fact, I think I'll try a bite. That is so moist and delicious. The perfect balance of smokiness to it. It's just ready for it to be used. I could use it in all kinds of things, but you know what? I'm going to make some gluten-free enchiladas using this pork. So be sure and check my channel. Look for the gluten-free enchilada video, and you're going to have a recipe that you'll love to cook, gluten-free or not. See you next time.